Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set camera effect shake in CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now press on new project. Select your picture. Now here you can see the option of effect. Press on this. Now click on video effects. From here you can find different type of effect. If you want to set shake effect on your picture, you just have to search a shake effect. From here, you can find different type of shake effect. You can choose one of them. Then click on the sign button. Your shake effect is ready. That's it. So this is how to set camera effect shake in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.